Yeah, test. No, test as in testing. Testing Teslas on the autopilot. The claim of auto is it autopilot? Now autonomous cars and all that. We need a real solution for it. It's like self-driven cars. This is the concept of self-driven cars. They're doing okay. I think you reach the pinnacle. You know what's a pinnacle? Or the zenith of a machine trying to be aware of its surroundings using laser sensors and using other kind of sensors, eyes and stuff. So the idea is we need more. First of all, we need more testing. We need more testing, like real-time testing. So the pitch idea is currently we have all over the places we have race courses, don't we? So we're just going to ride those Teslas around those race courses and create yeah, but just make them, give them like various challenges. Suppose you're riding that way, you put like, have you seen the travel? Why am I making this? Because it's like awful. In Shanghai, this boy is driving his freaking Tesla on this fast lane, and he's going thing, and he's also shooting it on the camera or the dashboard cameras there, and it's going like full speed in the high fast lane. And there's a gap over here, right? And what is it there? There's a garbage truck over here. Yeah. So there's a garbage truck over here, and this thing is going thing over here but it can't see that thing. But if it was driver was thinking, it was stop or gone up into this other lane and gone away. But no, it just it went through that thing. So we likewise so what is the mistake over there? I would say is machines. The machines are like they have their limitations. They have limitations about what they can do. So the idea about self-driving cars, the problem is, so the solution is to put them into more testing, make one solution is to put them, currently working with the current situation is, put them into more, run them around racetracks. So we have like a local horse track, we have like a Hiawatha, no, this is a Hiawatha project. We have like Woodbine. All these places, we use them to test. Because we have like test conditions. We're not like horses running on the street. So we put these things under test conditions and give them like various challenges. So we put like a dog on the street. We put a bicycle on the street. You see the other video of another self-driven cars is going up the ramp. Some guys decided to take a shortcut with his bicycle. The car didn't stop for him. It just it went through. But if it was a human being at the wheel, he would stop for that. The thing with the self-driven cars, I think maybe they follow the rules to the T. They don't really, you're not going to follow, like you're not supposed to be there. Really? You're not so, it's illegal to call off-ramp ramp on a bicycle, isn't it? So same with this, where is that? Yeah, it's illegal to do like a crazy garbage truck U-turn on a 401 in a high-speed highway. So I think the problem with artificial intelligence is they follow the rules too carefully. But human beings, we know they're flexible. Like human beings don't follow the rules all the time, every time. That is one thing about the test project, okay? Tests. Where is tests? The test project. Where we take the autonomous driven cars and we put them to the works, give them like various test conditions of all kind of road carriers. You see all the ways they made mistakes, and they put them to all those works so that the self-driving machine improves. That's only, I would say, part one. Okay, the other part is we need like an enterprise. Right? An enterprise solution to autonomous vehicles. This is like alien technology, so alien. Yeah, it's beyond your IQ. No, it's not really beyond your IQ. You really haven't thought like me. For me, most of my life I'm spent in the enterprise. I'm an enterprise kind of person. So I don't think like the little things. I can only see big things. I only see big things. So the enterprise solution is like when you look at the world, when you look at the whole highway, of all these things driving, there's things driving here, driving here, driving here, driving here, driving here, driving this way, one is going this way, and this one is going this way. No? So you're making this one only limited to what's going on here and this. So when you talk at the enterprise level is where I'm up front, like the good fan eagle in the sky, is able to control all the actions of all these vehicles. You understand? So it'll be like an enterprise solution. So I have like a swarm rules. I was watching a program called Swarm. The swarm rule is you stay the hell away from each other, my friend. So when you take like a enterprise solution to it, that means there's a main mothership in the sky who is controlling all these things. That's why I'm calling it alien technology. Like you seen in the book, in the movie, the Independence Day, didn't you? You have like this little bitty alien thing laughing and saying, come on in, come on in. Oh, it controls each ship, doesn't it? Yeah. So likewise, this is how does it work? So this is the enterprise. So the enterprise, it controls like the each one of this. Not only that, it controls all the space around it. It's monitoring all the space around it for any kind of objects that are not there or should be there or shouldn't be there or all those things. So that is the real solution, enterprise solution. I would say alien, yeah, to solving the autopilot or the test project. We need to think in terms of the car we cannot like the Stanford technology about a car driving itself. We pushed it really too much. It needs to be coupled with orchestration, system orchestration or transportation grid orchestration. I come up with all kind of new tables that drive you insane. Where the orchestration is like each vehicle, you're making sure that they don't touch each other, that they stay away from each other. There's nothing like crazy going on in the space. Like we have like tunnels in space that are like a control is monitoring them. And each one you stay at your height and your thing, and then finally it makes the grid. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis, and that's how and each one is the enterprise system. It controls all these things. So we have transportation systems that go like a pipeline, a grid in the sky. Yeah, that's why I'm calling it the grid of heaven. So it goes like a grid in heaven, and it's controlled by a benign. We're not going to make this like an evil thing. All my ideas are good and they're wonderful, and it has to be owned by the people, for the people. Uh, so that is the solution for autopilot in tests and testing Teslas. So the two things aspect is, one is we test them using, because currently race courses are sitting empty. There's a whole lot of Hossy, like even Calgary Stampede, the Hiawatha, the Hoss Park, all kind of Hoss Parks and all. They don't really have, they sit empty except for the weekends. So during the week and the nights and all, when the horses are eating grass and doing the right hossing, we can use that same space to test them Teslas and other kind of autonomous cars and make them good, because it's like that's a nightmare situation. I keep on with thinking of the poor young showing off boy on in Shanghai driving his Tesla and hitting a garbage truck. Imagine what, like, phew, that's just awful. And same with that that person going after a bike ride and crossing the off ramp, wacko. And then there's another boy. I think he was in the Midwest. He put a lot of YouTube video. Because there was a trailer doing a U-turn on the highway. U-turns on the highway like wrong. Now this was like a real nightmare situation, but only a human being could. And also, going that speed, he could have easily stopped it. Why was it a nightmare situation? Because that whole trailer is white. Haven't you seen like a white truck trailer? And the machine just couldn't see it. And it just kept going. So the guy got shaved off or shivered off the top of his car. The thing got shaved off. Like, just imagine he pretending to sleeper to wheel, putting all this thing like it. And I think it happened live on YouTube. He was live streaming the crap shoot because he was like a big Tesla fan. So autopilots is we need the things. This is the pitch for it. Or this is the way to go, my friends. You need like an enterprise system that is orchestrating all these other machines. There's a whole lot to do it, but it all comes in enterprise, the enterprise solutions. So that would be the enterprise solution to autonomous vehicles.